Tired of manual booking chaos, endless admin, overloaded reception, and no-shows disrupting your day? GoodX Diary Automation turns it all around, transforming bookings into intelligent, fully automated workflows that manage patients effortlessly, eliminate tedious admin, and deliver real business insights automatically. It begins with booking types, the intelligent heartbeat of your diary. One smart setup controls booking duration, required forms, automated actions, and even auto-linking selected billing line items, so every appointment type runs efficiently every time. From the moment a booking is made, GoodX takes over patient communication, sending secure forms, reminders, and confirmation links via SMS or email automatically. Forms arrive securely via MyGC. Progress saves automatically so patients can continue where they left off. Completed forms are clearly indicated, giving your team instant visibility. Smart reminders keep patients prepared and committed, reducing no-shows and maximizing attendance. Gain powerful visibility into your practice performance. Track demand trends, spot high-value procedures, and optimize your resources for better profitability, all driven directly from your diary data. Booking types trigger clinical workflows automatically, reducing extra clicks and saving valuable time. Consultation templates, scripts, and notes appear ready, allowing you to fully focus more on care and less on admin. Enhance every patient journey with tailored education sent automatically. Prep instructions, educational videos, or aftercare information delivered effortlessly via email. Informed patients mean better outcomes and higher satisfaction. Stay in complete command with intelligent visibility directly from your diary view. Patient status, financial flags, or awareness and alerts, everything at a glance. No digging, no surprises. GoodX Diary Automation. Seamless booking type setups mean less admin, fewer no-shows, smarter insights, better patient care, and greater profitability. Experience a smarter way to manage your practice with GoodX. Book a demo today or visit the website in the description below.